Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. The last class we already discussed the basic effects in the transmission line. There is nothing but skin effect we already completed, Faraday effect also we already completed. Now we have switched on to that third important effect is nothing but a proximity effect. I hope you have seen so many textbooks. In so many textbooks we heard the skin effect and Faraday effect, but we are less aware of that the proximity effect. So only less textbooks are having proximity effect, but most of the people they don't know what is the proximity effect. So right now I try to clear what is actually proximity effect. With the proximity effect, what are the effects should be going to see in the transmission line, and which situation we are going to see the proximity effect. The things we have to see right now in the proximity effect. So before going to the proximity effect, later I will explain the concept, and then you can understand that. Let us take one conductor. The conductor, let us take one positive conductor we can take. After that, let us you can take one negative conductor you can take. One positive conductor and negative conductor we can take. One positive conductor and one negative conductor. Let us take positive conductor, the current going inside, the current should be going to inside. The negative conductor, the current will come in this direction. One positive conductor, one negative conductor. Current should be enter, current should leave like this. It is the example I am telling. I hope you are understanding. One positive conductor, one negative conductor. It should keep on going on there. So what is going to happen here is that definitely any conductor current flowing is definitely flux line should be created. Surface of the conductor. Here also negative conductor also should be going to the. Here also have flux lines keep on going on to that. So flux lines of negative, flux lines of positive. Whenever two different conductors which possess a magnetic fields are different. Positive having in this direction, negative having in this direction, automatically the current flowing through the conductor which will attract towards negative. The positive conductor will be attracted towards negative. Negative current carry conductor current should be attracted towards. So automatically the current flowing to the conductor before it is completely refilling, before it is the positive conductor to completely fill with the current carrying capacity. Keep on the fully charged. Negative also like that only. The negative conductor also. So fully concentrating on your with negative current flow uniformly will flow completely. The moment like this will come, this current should be concentrating on only half of the conductor. Only current should be concentrating on only half of the conductor. You are trying to attract it towards negative. Same case here also. This negative conductor should be concentrating on only half of the portion of conductor rather than the full distribution of current. It means before it is the two conductors are very far away, there is no effect. When the conductors are nearer, coming to the nearer, this positive conductor will attract it towards negative. This negative conductor towards attracted to the positive direction. In this case, this current should be concentrating towards negative. The negative conductor current should be concentrated towards positive conductor. In such a way, the current in the conductor should be concentrating on 50% of portion. Other conductor should be 50%. Example I am telling, we are trying to attract towards. So remaining 50% should be empty. This effect is called as proximity effect. This effect should be called as proximity effect. What we can say? The proximity effect. When the current flowing through one positive conductor and one current flowing through negative conductor, two conductors are making nearer. That time the current should be distracted between the two currents. It means both the conductors, the current should be concentrating on only one half side of the conductor rather than full conductor length is nothing but a proximity effect. So what to understand, I can write down the conductors. The conductor nothing but a positive conductor like this you can write down. A positive conductor a positive conductor is placed near to the negative conductor, nearer to the negative conductor. Therefore, the current distraction takes place. The current distraction takes place. Therefore, both conductors, the current should be concentrating off side of conductors. This effect is called as a proximity effect. Once I repeat it, a positive conductor and a negative conductor both should be placed at nearer to the conductor. Both conductor, the current should be concentrating at half side of the conductor rather than the full side. This place should be going to be empty because current, even if you have used full length of conductor cross section area, that area of cross section flowing to that, it should be going to the edges. So this is going to be a wasting of material in the conducting materials. Therefore, this is affecting on the conductor. So therefore, such a type of effects is nothing but a proximity effect. Majorly this proximity effect they are observing in underground cable. Because underground cables, we are keeping our cables nearer to us. One by one cable, we are making a bunching it is. In this, normally we are saying it is. For overhead lines, we are very less. Generally, OH lines is less because we have to maintain separate distance. Even if it is there, very less, we are not supposed to consider. Basically, it should not in standard conductors. Not in standard conductors, it is not supposed to appear. It is, we can say directly it is only underground cable, OH lines are very less because the resistance between the two lines should be very large compared to this underground cable. I hope you are understanding this proximate effect. It's very important in interviews. Please be learned very clear it is. I hope you are understanding. If you like my videos, please make a subscribe. Links will come to your mail ID. You can watch it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing.